For the last 3 years, the Community Foundation of North Louisiana has been raising money and advocating for early childhood education.
Since they started, they have also been collecting data to see what impact preschool attendance has on kindergarten readiness. Community Foundation President Christy Gustafson joins us now to talk about their latest findings. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Appreciate it.
We talk a lot about kindergarten readiness.
Yes.
Why is this so important?
So there are a number of reasons. One, we know that 90% of our brain development is attained before we reach the age of 5, which is scary. Things I'm glad I didn't know when my child was small. But in addition to that, we also know that children who are not kindergarten ready are way less likely to be 3rd grade reading level ready, way less likely to be ready for 4th grade math, less likely to graduate high school, more likely to need additional services and supports in school, and actually even more likely to have encounters with the juvenile justice system as well as the adult justice system.
3 years worth of data you've been collecting. What's kind of the standout piece of fact, information, aha moment that you've been able to uncover so far?
Well, we hypothesized that children who went to early child care centers would do better than their peers on kindergarten readiness exams, and that's based on not only, it's based on a lot of national data that has been done before us, but this local data now bears that out. We're 3 years into gathering data that shows children who attend early child care centers in the first few years of life fare far better than their peers who stay at home, in some cases 3 times better on the kindergarten readiness exam in both the reading and math components than their peers.
And you all have been working hard to raise money and fund early childhood for lower income families.
Yes.
How much money have you raised and how many kids have you impacted?
Yes, so far we have scholarshiped over the last 3 years over 1,000 children to attend early child care centers here in Caddo Parish, and we've leveraged nearly $20 million in 3 years. And the great part of raising money for this is the dollars that we raise are matched by the state of Louisiana. There's a fund set up by the state legislature where if we raise funds by the end of this month for 2025, we report what we raised to the state. They match us dollar for dollar.
That's a good deal.
That is a good deal. Big question, what can parents do to kind of set their children up for success? You guys are helping to kind of fill in the gaps, but
Yes.
what can parents do to help lessen that load a little bit?
Super simple. What you can do at home is read, sing, and talk to your children. The language development that they attain in the first few years of life is the most important. And so the more that you can read, sing, and talk to them and get them involved in conversations, even though conversations with toddlers are funny, but with their peers, because that's how they develop those linguistic skills.
Now, we all love to get money from South Louisiana and bring it up here. So for people who would like to donate to this, especially now that they know it's going to be matched with state funds, what do they need to do?
So we're trying to raise $3 million by the end of this month. So you can go to cfnla.org/ECE and donate. Every dollar that you donate will be matched. The Community Foundation is taking no fee for the work we're doing. So every dollar in is used for a scholarship for a child ages 0 to 3 who is low income and needs an ECE spot.
All right. Good work.
Thank you. Thank y'all so much for having me.
Thank you
Appreciate
for
it.
coming, and we look forward to having you back.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you very much.